Hey guys, good afternoon. 3 o'clock, Wednesday, July 14th, 2021. Just want to go over this trade with you on Lclp. Everybody's asking me and messaging me about how to find these. So instead of telling you guys, I'll just show you here. Lclp had news pre-market, okay? 7:30 a.m. Anytime I see agreement or a merger, I'm really interested in these trades. This was like number one, number two of my top list to chase today out of the gate. So that's what I'm looking at. Number one, I'm looking at scanning all the news, okay? Looking at all the news. And then what we're doing is we're looking, filtering out from the top to the bottom. This is Scanz. I have a free link for a week if you want it. This is in the morning what I'm looking at. So you got Lclp was the top gainer this morning in pre-market, okay? You got DRNG, WOG, AACS, SSCT, CATV. Anyway, some of these I don't trade. Like this one right here, 0075 by 93. I'm not interested in this because of the spread. Out of the gate, this thing had like a 20, 30, maybe even 40 tick, spread. It could have ran on news this afternoon. I still don't like the spread. This one's not too bad, 33 by 34.7. This one's not too bad. This one's 93 by 98, a little wide. But then this one, 1.2 by 135, so. I like a tighter spread like this, one tick spread. These aren't too bad, not too bad, not too bad. So what you're looking at though in the morning is Lclp, that it was a top gainer. It had the most trades in pre-market. Whoever's trading those, I don't know if they're trading them on Centerpoint or Cobra or Interactive Brokers, wherever they're getting these shares available in pre-market before 9:30, before market open. Anyway, this had the most volume. So this was number one on my watch list. Okay? So you're looking at that. Number two, you're coming out here. Here's this morning. Okay? So this is this morning. You're getting out of the gate. I got a block trade scanner on here. On my block trades, I have this set at $5 million. 5 million shares. Okay? So right out of the gate, 937, you get a 10 million and another 10 million. Okay? You get another 5 million. New high, new high, new high, new high. You're going from, if you're looking back here, Lclp 932, 38, 39, 4, 42, 43. I'm a momentum trader and a day trader, so I'm all over this. 4, 42, 43, 45, okay. 4, 46, 47. Somebody got slipped pretty good there. Maybe they sold those, I don't know. Maybe they bought them, I don't know. But with the price action, pretty much looks like they bought them. 46, 47, 48, block trade. Okay, 49, 5, 51, 52, 53. Now you're already at 55 by 941. So 20 minutes or 10 minutes, 11 minutes in the trading day. 941.04. So 11 minutes in the trading day, you're already at 55 from an open of 32. This thing just continued all day, all day, all day. Crazy, right? 5.5 million. At 81. This thing went all the way before 10 o'clock to 81. So I'm looking at that. The other scanner I'm watching is, I'm looking at this. So this one I have filtered out from a half a cent to 20 cents. Okay, so I have that one filtered out. There's DLPS, another runner today. So this is filtered out. So you're going to come back here. Here's 0357. You're going to see all these rips. You see DLPS there? New high, new high, new high, new high, new high. Lclp, block trades. So you're looking at this and people are, by the midday, everybody's getting on this. It's all over Twitter, all in all the Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups and everything. Anyway, I want to see this continue to get blocks and blocks and blocks and blocks and have consecutive highs. When it's not getting highs, like this is a breakout, clear breakout here. So here's your breakout. You get breakout, 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 blocks, blocks, blocks. You get new high, 33, 33 for 4. You get a new high, blocks, blocks, new high, new high, new high, new high, right? New high. That's what you want to see, is these consecutive highs, and then blocks, block, new high, block, new high, new high, new high, new high, new high, 35, 36, 37. This thing was just up 2,000 or 2,100%. So this is Scanz. I got a free link for a week if you guys want. Just reach out to me. You can follow us in the Facebook group at Off the Chart Trading. Just you can go on the Facebook group and follow us, or you can hit me on YouTube. I'm going to post this on YouTube. You can message me in there, But the best way is through the Facebook group, Off the Chart Trading. All right. See, so consecutive highs, high, 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 block trade, high, high, block trade. Anyway, you get the gist of it. So that's what I'm watching. I'm watching during the day. I'm watching 8 scanners, watching this stuff all pile up and go crazy. If you're looking for a ticker on Twitter, you know, yeah, you made some money today because this thing kept running. It went all the way to 4.2 cents. But the problem is you could have got in here. I called this live in pre-market. In pre-market, you could see right here it was gapped up. It was gapped up right here in pre-market, okay? So you can tell which ones are going to run in pre-market. And then you get, like I said, a couple $100 million out of the gate in 5 minutes, okay? The problem about looking in these groups, you don't hear about it till it's up in here. Oh, this thing ran 400 or 500%. You're getting in here. You're getting in late. If you get in here in the first, 20 minutes of the day, you get a great entry. Yeah, you might have had a pullback here to get in, but you're already up a penny here. This is already at a penny here. So if you're right here on this pullback, you're at 98 or 1. That's good, but you could have got in at 38 or 4 with us in the chat room. I called this live. So you sick move here. You probably would have got shaken out here. You could have got back in again on the run based on those block trades and based on the scanner. So, 1 million shares at 4 here. And let's say you just took half of this run today up to 2 cents. 1 million shares is 20 grand minus the 4. You're up $16,000 on 1 million shares. So this could be life-changing money. You take a couple million shares, you make $10, $12, $15,000 on this trade. Easy money. If you had the balls enough to stay in this thing longer, well, congratulations, more power to you. How I stay in these trades longer though, over here, you look, I would not have got shaken out here. This is a regular candle chart. This is a Heikin-Ashi candle chart. The longer the day progresses, you can go out on time frames on this. Okay, this is a 30-minute chart. I have a really fast moving average on here. Okay, really fast. We never cross. We never crossed on this. I got, we open 50% in this body, 50 in this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. We go inside. We have an inside 30-minute candle, and then we step up again. Inside with no wicks, a breakout, no wicks, no wicks, no wicks. So you can, what I do, I tell all my people who trade with me to sell into these parabolic moves. They heard me say it today. I got it recorded. I'll post it later. Sell into these big pushes. You could have bought this dip and sold into this big push. When you have all this volume, the only selling really today was right here. Right here. I mean, you see a little bit of selling over here on the 5-minute, but 90% of this was buying today. Okay? This was the only real selling I see here on the 30-minute. So this thing had a sick day. Again, life-changing money. Follow us at Off the Chart Trading on Facebook or message me in the YouTube feed. All right. If you need any help, just reach out. Have a good one.